Director, India Operations from Hongfa. Sir, would you like to tell us about your products?
See, we are manufacturing mainly our products are relays, electromechanical relays. Hongfa is the number one in Asia and number 4 globally. The Hongfa is only the company manufacturer of relays. You take an example of our competitors like Omron, Tyco, Panasonic, all they have a different products, but Hongfa got only relays. Yes.
Do you supplying to the all India market, or means you are supplying to the part of it?
No, we are supplying all over India, and also globally about 100 countries we are exporting.
What is the production capacity of your unit?
About 1 billion relays we are manufacturing, all put together.
It's a huge one.
Yes, very huge, very huge.
So where your company rank means when we talk about the world capacity of the products? So where is your company rank?
So we are, that's what I told you, we are number 4, particularly the sugar cube relays. Per month we are manufacturing 40 million pieces. Nobody in this earth is manufacturing 40 million pieces. We are number 1 for sugar cube relays. Hongfa is the number 1.
And who are your distributor here in India?
We have about couple of distributors, and our distributors Millennium Semiconductors, and Singodia Electronics, and Siny Electronics, and we are Sabu Components and Relays. Yes.
So they are doing good in India?
Yeah, they are extremely well. Particularly Millennium Semiconductors and Vikas is doing extremely good. Yes.
Okay. Can you tell us about your company a little bit? Means the manufacturing unit there in China.
Yeah, we have 5 manufacturing units actually. So one in Xiamen, one in Sichuan, and a couple of units in Shanghai also we have. So a couple of plants we are already acquired. That is confidential. The products will shortly we will inform. It will come in the ad.
And what are you displaying here at this show?
We are displaying all electromechanical relays. All electromechanical relays for automotive application, power application, telecom, and also the metering, smart meter application, and also lighting.
So what is the response here in this show up till now?
Yesterday was not so. Yesterday was only existing customers. The first day, normally any exhibition, any expo, first day will be not much. But second day and third day, we are expecting good response today. Yes.
So do you think that after the policy is announced by the government of India on electronic manufacturing and all, so do you think that the sales of your products will increase in the times to come?
Certainly, but today trend is very down because dollar is the main culprit. The rupee is depreciating day by day, but we are optimistic. Yes.
How long it will take? Means this sluggish situation. Means how long it will take?
This year will be there. This financial year, Indian financial year, will be sluggish. I hope so. I'm expecting 2014 will be the good year for India. Yes.
So any good reason for this?
Reason is it is because no the policy they have taken good this no. So because of that I think it will boost in 2014. It's a globally meltdown today. So we are expecting good results in 2014.
And what is your target here in India for this season?
We are growing every year around 30 to 35% per year.
Is it good?
Yes. We are expecting good results because we are very happy about our corporate is very impressive about India business. So we are planning to recruit more people also in future. So expand our business model wise. We are planning to recruit. Yes.
Thank you. Anything you would like to tell about to your audience?
Nothing. We hope for the optimistic, that's all, because today trend is not so encourageable, but we should be optimistic, not to be pessimistic. Yeah. That much I can say. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.